everyone. This is Hirami. Today I am at the Kodokan Judo Center in Bunkyo World, Tokyo. I'd like to show you the Kodokan. Here we go. So this is Jigorō Kanō, the founder of Kodokan. Here is the information of each floor. This is the first file for me here. I'd like to express my special thanks to my friend in France who loves judo so much and expand it to all over the world. Let's go to the second floor. Today, 35th degree, very hot and humid. The other side, there is a Lakua, the hot springs, natural hot springs. Okay. So, take free. Seiryoku. Oops. Define kind of the materials. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay. See, this is the symbol of Kōdōkan. Wow, this is Mr. Jigorō Kanō. He was an educator and also, of course, the founder of Kodokan. Standing in front of him like this, I wonder that how I have to make a discipline myself to follow the right way. I'm still on the way to perfect myself.
これはどこにあるんですか？
資料館でずっとかなり余り物みたいな感じであったものなんですけど、はい、資料館仏像多分70年とかで作ったっぽいです。20年ぐらい前のものだと思います。
そうですか。初めて見た。
The painting of the Yuma Terraura, 9 years old boy. Konnichiwa. He said that he would like Mr. Jigorō Kanō to guide him in the heaven. It says Jitta Kyoe, which means to thrive together. Thrive together. Seiryoku-Zenyo, which means that to use the energy in the good way and the positive way, which is a very important message in this world of chaos in the 21st century, I believe. take 3. Definitely I take 3. Take 3. Yay! Hey! It's there the invitation card of Mr. Jigorō Kanō. Oh, it says that don't take a picture, so I must not. Judo spreading across the world. The Kanō visited the world to spread judo, and many of my friends in the world practice judo thanks to his effort. First, the World Judo Championship started in 1955 in Tokyo, and the last one here is 2019, Tokyo, Japan. The Kanō was the member of IOC. If I start judo now, probably I could also take the kurobi, black belt. Who knows? Everything is possible. Seeing is believing. This is Kanō Jigorō, the second IJF chairman. Kanō loved to eat tofu, the soybean curd, so I should try. I'd like to work till the end of my last day, like him. This is the champion of the Japan Judo Championship. Do you know somebody? Naoya here. I know him, Naoya. And of course Yamashita. It's very famous. You see? Shinohara. The ladies. I wish I would like to wear the crown like her. Here, my friend Mr. Graysink. Italy, Kōdōkan, France, David Juillet, Monsieur Juillet, Ezio Gamba from Italy, France again, Jean-Luc Roger, France again, Thierry Ray, four-time European medalist Thierry Ray, followed up on his way on his 1970 World Championship gold by winning gold for France at 1980 Moscow Olympic Games. Ireland, Belgium, Kanō Jigorō. Judo founder Jigorō Kanō was an educator and visionary. He developed a complete system which personified maximum efficiency with minimum effort. Maximum efficiency with minimum effort. That's very good. Kanō founded the Kōdōkan in 1882 and became the first Asian member of the International Olympic Committee. Judo was introduced to the Olympic program at the 1964 Tokyo Games, and since 1972 has featured in every Olympiad. Kanō once said, "Judo is a way of the highest or most efficient use of both physical and mental energy. Through training in the attack and defense techniques of Judo, the practitioner nurtures their physical and mental strengths and gradually embodies the essence of the way of Judo." Well, I'd like to also embody the essence of the way of Judo. Okay. Mohamed Ali Rashwan, I know him very well. He fought against Yamashita, and he didn't attack the Yamashita on the wounded part of the body. So Judo connects the world. Today, the strong man is said to win, but Judo means that Ju means the soft. So softness is the best way, the better way to win rather than hardness. Encouraged us very much. Feliz Mariani. Well, thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and please take care of yourself, and see you at Kōdōkan someday when COVID-19 calms down. Bye bye.